500. The rest they are athletes of different games. So I'm always on ground because we see this place as one of the best places we can use for activities. So yesterday, when the engineer came, they saw me on ground. They now asked me, "Are you the person?" I said, "Yes." So they're not okay. They want to start building here. I was thinking it's the same building that is going on, the same construction that is going on here and this very place. So after about 2 days, the chairman of the commission, Mr. Dudu, came in. And as he came with one of his staff, Jude. Then he asked them to stop work immediately. Then after some minutes, I saw him making a call to somebody. They now said, "Okay, I see." And he now called Jude, "Okay, let's go." So I was thinking it's still the same people working there. So all this while they've been building here. When they finished, the guy called me yesterday. He said, "Please help me remove this signboard." That is why I removed it, sir.
So does this reflect what is written here? Does it reflect what is on ground here?
The only connection I have with this is...
No, it's not the connection.
Okay.
Answer my question.
Okay.
Renovation of gymnasium and multipurpose hall. Where is the gymnasium? Where is the multipurpose hall? Here.
It's here.
This very building.
Yes.
And that is the building that Edo State government has renovated.
I'm aware of that, yes.
And is ready for the sports. Senators have come to visit and they confirmed that this structure is ready for the sport festival.
You're right, sir.
So why will the same ministry or whoever or a contractor come to say it's renovating an already completed or renovated structure and is putting a signboard here?
That I can explain. I was thinking it's still the same people that's working right from the wall. Nothing. The day the chairman of the board commission came in, so when he communicated with somebody, I was still thinking they are still working together.
So what will happen? You will take him. I need the contractor. This particular contractor has to be invited to Edo to come and tell us why he will not be sent to EFCC for misleading the public or even federal government, I don't know, whoever sent him, because renovation of gymnasium has been done by the state government, and that is the gymnasium. That is the gymnasium. And so these are the kind of things the NDDC is doing that we want to correct. There shouldn't be disconnect between federal and state. Just like the state, there's no disconnect between state and local government.
I understand, sir.
You understand? So this structure is already been taken over by the state government. And if the federal government want to assist us, the government is there. We are ready for assistance. But not to come and award a job to another contractor for a job already completed by the state government. So this will not be acceptable. First, you take this thing, they take this thing off, you will take him to the office and need this contractor to be arrested and brought to Edo State. They should remove it and take to the office.
Okay.
Move on. Me remove on.
You can testify.
You know, the issue of maintenance was an issue when all these structures started. And I remember most of the questions coming from you were that we are building structures everywhere. How are we going to maintain this structure? That the issue of Nigeria is maintenance. And I remember we told you that those things are always being centered out. And the governor made it clear that all our facilities will not only be built, but they will be maintained. So we already have that maintenance program set up, and we are going around, the maintenance facility heads are going around to assess and identify all these projects that were embarked on government properties. And in course of going around to check them, we realized that one of the structure that is ready for the 2020 Sport Festival that was renovated by the state government and handed over to us by the federal government, a contractor different from the contractor hired by the state to renovate the structure, erected a signboard saying that he's awarded the contract and renovating already renovated structure. And for us, it was an aberration. Knowing fully well that we have a relationship with the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport, and we also have a cordial relationship, a robust one for that matter, with the Minister and the Permanent Secretary. And there was no correspondence to the effect that somebody from the ministry is even here for any project. And we saw it as something very unusual. And we've ordered that the signboard be removed, because that signboard is misleading. And the contact here be arrested, and the contractor should have to be invited with all his contract papers to evaluate and check if the same structure that you see, that the minister himself has even seen, the committee set up by the National Assembly has visited, that is same structure that is being awarded. So we don't want to speculate, but we have asked that the signboard be removed and their contract head should be arrested and the contractor be invited for us to understand what the issues are, so that a job that has been done by the state is not being awarded to another contractor, because the implication of that is that he has nothing to do here, and funds are scarce now. We cannot duplicate our energy in doing one project with same fund. So, like I said, we don't want to speculate, but we've ordered for the arrest of the guy here, and we've also requested that through him, the contractor be invited to the state.
Okay, and looking at the festival...
And I also personally get to the minister and to the ministry to also find out if they are aware of what is on ground. Yeah, the festival, we are ready. We have always been ready as a state, and we're also taking opportunity to check our facilities, and the facilities are ready. Some of them we are retouching, some of them that still have one or two things to do, we are told the contractor to continue. For facility, we are ready. For funding, we are still waiting on federal government. We had a meeting with the Vice Chancellor of University of Benin, and we have another good relationship, a robust one with that institution, and they have a very lovely, active Vice Chancellor now, and we are collaborating, and they are ready to accommodate us in their program. They will be going on vacation on the 1st of April. And our discussion with her last week shows that they can accommodate us between 1st and 12th of April if the funding and the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport are ready. So for us, we have always been ready and we are already planning ahead, but the issue still lies in the hands of the federal government. We are expecting favorable communication from them. So if the sports festival we hold, it will be determined by the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport and the Honorable Minister. For us, we are ever ready.